pass a string through the rings is a training course to increase your understanding of the intuitive joint of ArtiSential and approaching targets from variously different angles. This course uses to ArtiSential Maryland dissector products. Make preparation by inserting the O-ring onto the module bar after having attached the module for the pass a string through the rings course to the module frame. Burnished string included in the training kit as well. Assemble by inserting the O-ring onto the module from the top as shown on the screen. The bar position and O-ring placement are executed by the trainer or trainee by designating their direction of pass, starting, and end points. In this video, we will assemble in a simple arrangement format as shown on the screen and proceed in zigzag direction by passing through the left top ring first and the right top ring as the end point. After having held to dissectors in each of the hands and the string in one hand, pass the string through the ring in zigzag format, starting from the left top ring in the direction indicated by the arrow. You will take training for the multi-joint of ArtiSential product by threading the string through the rings in this manner. This concludes the training for the pass a string through the rings course.